Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Khasta sweet corn kachori. These are so delicious you cannot have one. Let's get started. For the stuffing, we need 1 cup boiled sweet corn. So take sweet corn kernels and boil them in water with some salt for 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon garlic and 1 green chilli to your mixer grinder jar and add the sweet corn and grind to a coarse paste. Make sure you grind to a coarse paste and not fine paste. So this is what the paste should look like. Heat a pan or kadhai and add approximately 2 to 3 teaspoon oil. To the hot oil add 1 teaspoon cumin. Next add the prepared paste and at this time keep the flame low. Add around 2 pinches of turmeric and saute for a minute or so. Then add 1 to 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder and half teaspoon kitchen king masala. You can use any masala of your choice if you do not have kitchen king masala. Next add some salt as per taste. Give this entire thing a good mix and keep the flame low. Next add 1 tablespoon gram flour, that is besan. Sweet corn paste already has moisture in it, so you don't need to add any additional water. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes at low flame. Our super delicious sweet corn stuffing is ready. Let's move to the next step. In a bowl, take 2 cups all-purpose flour, that is Maida, and add 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix the salt and flour well. Then add 3 tablespoon ghee. Mix the ghee and flour really well. It's very important that before you start adding water to make a dough, you mix the ghee and maida or atta if your recipe calls for atta. So it's very important to mix your fat and your flour really well. Then add room temperature water and make a medium soft dough. Knead the dough for 3 to 4 minutes. Cover the dough and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After resting the dough, knead it again for a minute or so and you will notice that the dough would become nice and smooth. Divide this dough into 9 equal sized portions. Same way, divide the stuffing into 9 equal sized portions. So if you first divide your dough and mixture, later you would not soil your hands while making the kachori. You don't need to wash your hand after making every kachori. Also, the size of the kachoris and the amount of stuffing that goes inside would remain consistent. Flatten the dough using your fingers, or you can use a rolling pin, that is Besan. Place one stuffing ball and seal as shown. It's very important to seal the edges well so that while frying the kachori doesn't open up. I'm not removing the excess dough, I'm just pressing it back in the kachori. You can flatten it using your palms and fingers the way I'm doing, or you can use a rolling pin or a Besan. So first you can make 3-4 kachoris and fry them all at once. So depending on the size of your kadhai or pan you're frying your kachoris in, you can make more kachoris and fry them together. While you start making your kachoris, you can start heating your oil. The oil should not be very hot when you drop your kachoris inside because we don't want a lot of big bubbles on our kachoris. So if you drop a small piece of dough, it should start coming to the top gradually. At this stage, you can drop in your kachoris. Fry your kachori at low-medium flame for first 2 to 3 minutes and then you can lower the flame. Frying kachoris and samosas take time, so be patient with it. Keep flipping your kachoris and you would notice that gradually these would start puffing up. If you keep the flame medium or high, your kachoris would just cook on the outside and would remain raw inside, and also they won't be light, khasta and flaky. Fry the kachoris till they become golden brown on both the sides. Same way you can fry the rest of the kachoris. With this recipe you will get 9 medium-sized kachoris. I have fried 6 kachoris and I'll fry the remaining 3 later. Look at the kachoris, they aren't oily, puffed up really well, light and flaky, and the stuffing is just magic. It's so tasty, guys, you need to try it. These kachoris are so tasty and moist inside that you don't really need any chutney with this, but you can serve these with pudina chutney or with imli, that is tamarind chutney. And don't forget the fried green chilies. The kachori has puffed up really well and the stuffing looks great. Also the outside is nice and khasta, that is flaky. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!